Right, got me in the middle of it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, like I said, we're probably a week behind our schedule, but told you that we was going to get you another video on the Turbo Viper, and we actually got a little sneak peek on Roberto's cage going in too. So I'm over here at Perform Design and Fabrication, and Adrian's going to walk me through what they did to the Viper. What's up, Adrian?
What's going on?
Not much.
So here we got a Turbo Viper.
Yeah, that's what I hear.
So basically on these cars, the exhaust comes through the rocker panels on the sides over here. And it comes through the rocker, so it's all stainless already. It has long tubes on it, so we brought the exhaust to the center location here where we put two V-bands on. And then we finished up the stainless all the way back. Tyler went ahead and made a custom merge collector to go into the T4 flange for the turbo with wastegate flange and stuff like that. Obviously it's all heat wrapped just to be, it's a tight fit up in there.
Yeah,
so,
it is.
We got.
Did y'all mount that too?
Yeah. So that's the scavenge pump for the turbo. We mounted that, ran on the lines. It does have a back pressure sensor in it, just to make sure that the turbo isn't, working too hard. And then we got our intercooler piping with vibrant Wiggins clamps.
Yeah, those things are sweet.
Yeah, no silicone, no worries about anything blowing off. Tyler did a custom stainless exhaust, 4-inch to oval, custom made the tip, everything like that. And then this is our intercooler piping working our way back forward to the front of the car, heat wrapped, just to keep as much heat out of the system as possible.
Exactly.
And we got a single 60 mil wastegate.
I think that should do the job.
That should work. It's quite a bit quieter at idle.
Is it? Did y'all actually? Oh, yeah, I've seen that video.
Yeah. It's quite a bit quieter at idle, but if you crack on it a little bit, it wakes up.
It does.
Oh yeah.
Heck yeah.
But we should sometime around the middle of next week, we should have all the intercooler piping done and stuff like that. And, we're custom cutting the intercooler up to make the intercooler fit right and stuff like that. So.
Heck yeah. It's gonna be badass.
Yeah.
But yeah. But yeah, what he's talking about, they still have to run this up all the way to the front. And then this will be where the intercooler is going to be behind the condenser.
Yeah, this oil cooler is going to get replaced with an aftermarket unit
on
the side, and then the intercooler is going to go in there.
Hey, I know one that would probably fit.
Very similar.
Yeah, same location.
Yeah.
All right, guys, and like I said, they also have Roberto's from Formdrivenmedia's WRX here doing the cage on it, so we're going to take a little sneak peek. And Adrian's going to walk us through all the rules of NASA Rally.
I don't know if we got a long enough YouTube video for that. So, Roberto wants to do some NASA Rally events along with some SCCA Rallycross and stuff like that. So we kind of picked the organization that has the strictest roll cage guidelines, and kind of building it for that so that he's covered for everything.
Okay.
So that being said, we're using NASA Rally Sports, rule book for this one.
Yeah.
Which requires the cage to be 100% mild steel, no chromoly like you'd normally have in a drag car cage.
Right.
there's very specific tube size diameters and stuff like that and thicknesses. Significant amount of work is put into the tube placement and just the driver's cockpit area.
Yeah.
Obviously with rally, there's, definitely a lot of danger to the
Yes.
drivers themselves.
And how much tube did you say is in the pro stuff?
So in the WRC stuff, there's somewhere around like 140 feet or something like that of roll cage tubing. This isn't quite to that extent, but it has.
How much is in your standard drag cage?
Really, it depends. I mean, once we start getting into our 7.5 certs, where you get the funny car cage and stuff like that, it definitely grows up real fast.
Oh, okay.
But the biggest difference is the tubing diameters. This has to all be 1 3/4 with some 1.5. That we're able to use chromoly, so we're able to get away with a lot smaller tubing.
Yeah, and it's lighter too, ain't it?
Yeah, well, you don't have to use so much of it.
Oh, okay.
Because it's a stronger alloy.
Yeah.
So we're going to be knocking out this cage for Roberto, and they're just very, very, very particular. There's a whole bunch of. It's a 40-page rule book. So.
Jesus. But show y'all a little bit of their work, and like I said, guys, if y'all need anything done, make sure you hit them up. Which they just got this mocked up. They ain't even got it done yet. But it looks real.
Roberto's going to have us clean up a couple other things in the car.
Yeah.
Do some new seat mounts and some other miscellaneous stuff on the car as well. So we'll get them taken care of.
Yeah, I definitely think it looks really good.
All right, we'll go ahead and give you a little start up. At least be able to hear what the Viper sounds like.
A little sneak peek. Cold start. Yeah.
Yeah. It sounds like we quieted down quite a bit at idle, but
It doesn't on your YouTube video. It doesn't sound like that.
no.
No.
It makes it sounds like a freaking. I told him it sounds like a rice burner.
Oh, did it really?
Like on the YouTube video, that sounds like mean as hell. All right.
Yeah. All right, guys. That was a little sneak peek of how it sounds with the turbo. Still got to do some tuning to it and get it all dialed in. Plus, they got to run the front and the intercooler. But just a little pre-startup for y'all guys.
Little cold start.
Go check out their channel. For I messed it up again, of course.
Performance Design Fab.
Yeah, you heard the guy. Go follow him.
Hit up our Facebook if you want anything done or you want to talk to us about any of the builds.
Yep. Hit them up, guys. And we'll see you in the next episode. Peace.